Do you know you can officially get a blue verified badge on Facebook for your profile or page without paying for Meta Verified? No monthly subscription, no hidden fees, and no shortcuts. In this video, I'm going to practically show you how to request a verification badge on Facebook for free, step by step, in the right way. I'll also be explaining who should apply, who shouldn't, and how to increase your chances of approval along the way. But before we continue, quick favor, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to get verified on Facebook. Now let's get straight into it. Who should request a Facebook verified badge? Facebook verification is meant for people or brands that are in the public interest. This includes content creators, public figures, businesses and brands, media pages, influencers, and professionals. If your profile or page represents a real person, brand, or voice that people search for, then you're eligible to apply. How to verify your Facebook profile or page for free. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Next, go to the menu, scroll down, select Help and Support, then click on Support and wait for it to load. Once it opens, go to the search bar and type Request a verification badge on Facebook and then send. Now, look carefully and click the link that exactly says Request a verification badge on Facebook. This will open a new page where Facebook explains all the requirements and rules. Take a moment to read through it. Now scroll down until you see Verify your profile or page. Under it, you'll find a link that will take you to the form you will have to fill. Click that link. After the form loads, first, you will need to choose what you're verifying, profile or page. If it's a profile, paste your profile link. If it's a page, select the exact page you want to verify. Now scroll to Identity Confirmation. Choose your ID type and upload a clear camera photo of the physical ID. No screenshots, no blurry images. All edges of the ID must be visible and readable. Next is to confirm your notability. Select your page or profile category, then choose your country. You'll also see optional sections to describe your audience and add your other names. Even though these are optional, filling them properly can increase your chances, so I advise you don't ignore them. Finally, add up to 5 links that show your profile or page is in the public interest. These can be news articles, your other social media accounts, websites mentioning your brand. You should keep in mind that paid or promotional links are not accepted. Also remember that if Facebook rejects your request, you'll have to wait 30 days before applying again. So make sure everything is accurate and complete before clicking send. Once you're confident everything is correct, click send. Facebook will now review your request, and approval usually happens within 48 hours. That's it. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with anyone trying to get verified on Facebook.